All right, so here we go with round one. Seems to be a situation in which he wants to do everything in his power to keep this fight on the feet. He'd appear to have a lot of advantages at distance. We'll see.
Oh, massive head kick there. We'll see if he can finish.
That one is thrown to end the fight.
Yep. We talked about his reach advantage off the top. Quick entry here.
Nice single leg entry. Rotates ahead outside to a high crotch. Takes the forward. Slams him on his back. What a takedown.
How's that feel?
I knew that was going.
The Kimura is not the arm. It's the shoulder pressure that usually makes you tap.
But now DC trying to isolate an arm.
Yep, use the Kimura.
Oh, he dove with the punch and he lands. Well, he continues to do a nice job here defensively, protecting his head, raising the guard, and really frustrating the offensive fighter a little bit.
Lesson one in boxing class, hands up, chin down.
Able to work the body.
Big powerful punch lands. Now he gets back to range.
Punch of the former interim lightweight champ Dustin Poirier in a good striking flow here tonight, DC. That left hand nearly put his opponent out.
Nearly puts him out, and you can't take many of them. Dustin's so big and physically strong for 155. I can't believe he's to fight at featherweight. He looks like he could never have made that weight. He's fine.
Quick level change now.
He went single into a high crotch. Oh, he's taking his dude for a ride. Deep, flips him over the top. What a huge takedown.
I mean, do I survive that, or did I read my last round?
Absolutely not. You don't survive that. It's over. It's over, John.
All right, working inside the closed guard now. This is no safe place against this opponent. All right, he's got side control here, DC. You know, he's got a lot of different submissions in his arsenal once this fight gets to the ground. So as we pull up some numbers here for you, 29 total strikes have landed for Dustin the Diamond Poirier. Oh, nice kick right there. Tell the masses how good that feels to get kicked like that.
John, it doesn't. It doesn't feel good to get kicked.
All right, so now we see some dirty boxing in the clinch, and DC, this has certainly been a big trademark of your success, just finding a home for those punches in these clinch situations.
This is where I live. I love fighting in the clinch and landing those strikes. There are so many small spaces where you can land.
The fight thus far, how's his opponent still standing?
I mean, I have no idea. This fight is supposed to be over. It might not be over now, but it's going to be over very soon. He has a commitment to kicking tonight, and it shows.
All right, so there's the horn signifying the end of the round. A stunner there with the head strike midway through. Nearly got him out of there for good.
Almost got him out of there. He hurt him badly. He had his opponent hurt real bad. Now his opponent's walking back to his corner. Everybody looks confused. They don't know what they're supposed to do to try to change the way that this fight is going.
All right, here we go. Round two. Dustin the Diamond Poirier.
Ready?
And Tony Ferguson. Oh, and he lands a punch.
He landed it perfectly. Perfect placement. Perfect position. What a huge blow in a big moment in this fight.
Oh, he landed a beautiful straight punch there, DC. He's got an edge in reach and certainly is making it count in this one.
Look at the whip action that comes from him throwing that kick.
And now they are throwing. Oh, huge elbow! Quick entry to get him on a single.
That was a great single.
He's got hurt here. All right, bottom fighter here, maybe looking to hip escape, DC. Close guard.
Now he's chasing the triangle.
And this could be trouble here. Looks like it's pretty tight. He's trying to work his head out of harm's way.
It might be over. Oh, nice.
And he's out. Strong bottom work here, staying busy. So 57 total strikes have landed for Dustin Poirier. Well, a lot of connections, obviously, DC, and landing with big... On that punch right there, his opponent's compromised, DC.
It's one thing to land a hard shot. It's another thing completely to land a perfect shot. And that was a perfect shot.
Oh!
Oh, he's hurt bad. He's hurt bad, John. He's got to press him. He's got to go chase that finish down now.
Now, in a quick entry.
Great single entry. Rotates the high crotch. He's taking it for a ride.
All right, so inside the open guard of his opponent. You got to be careful playing around for too long here on the ground with this guy. All right, close guard now. You got to be careful, though. He's got a lot of submissions off his back. And he's out.
Oh, nice work from the bottom. Tags him with the punch.
Recovery, man. Right back to his feet.
Beautiful punch.
Elbow to the head in the clinch. Nice work there by Tony Ferguson.
Do something.
Oh, that right hand is on. Something to blow the fight.
And it was perfect. It was absolutely perfect, John. Great placement on that uppercut.
Oh!
He's in trouble. He's hurt bad. Now he's on top of him looking for a finish.
And just like that, the fight is over.
Wow! What a performance!
Yeah, that right there is a high-level knockout, ladies and gentlemen. Crowd absolutely loving it. Just a perfect shot to end the fight. Landed flush. I'm not even sure his opponent saw it coming. So a huge, huge win for that young fighter here tonight. Well, he's going to enjoy watching this one back. Let's take a look at the replay of the knockout just a moment ago.
It was right hand after right hand after right hand. Finally, he found the one that hit the exact sweet spot that ended his opponent's night.
And we go inside the octagon. Bruce Buffer has your official decision.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Yves Levine has called a stop to this contest at 4 minutes, 28 seconds of round number 2. Declaring the winner by